Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. This week we will talk about the robot servo. So we have a DC robot servo, coilless robot servo, and the monster torque robot servo. This week we will start with coilless robot servo. Okay, this is SAVOX SR-1270. So this one we call 1270 because there's a normal 1272 DIY as the robot servo. So you can change the different plastic case to have a two-side mount. So you can make this servo as a robot. So the spec was same as a 1270. So you can use in 8.4 volt. Then you provide 45 kilogram and 0.11 second on the spec. But this one is not accept for the RS485. It's only accept PWM signal. So if you are interested on this one, please contact us. Thank you.
What's the difference between a normal servo and a robot servo?
The difference between the robot servo and normal servo, one thing is 12 volt. Most of the robot servo you can use on the 3X, and the normal servo normally is only 2X on the voltage. Another difference is that for the normal servo you have a standard size already fixed, but for the robot servo you can change in different sizes, and also the signal difference.
So what is the signal type for a robot servo?
For the robot servo right now, the servos we're doing RS485, TTL and PWM signal.
Why does SAVOX use the quick release design?
For the quick release design for the robot servo, we will say in this way. For the human type of a robot, and from your leg and from your arm, the different distance between the control board to your servo. So you need a different length of cable to fit the robot. That's why we design in the quick release, so you can change different lengths of a wire. Thank you.